Okay, so this is going to be a brief tutorial on how to use FileZilla to organize folders on the SkelderGate server. So once you've logged in, it should look something similar to this. And if you notice, the left side of the screen in your FileZilla client shows your computer. In this case, it's my E drive in the SkelderGate folder. Here's the file tree for your computer here. And then the right side is the SkelderGates tree. And in this case, we are in the staff FTP upload. It should say third-party programs, add-ons. It should look something like this. Okay, so let's start with the left side of the screen, which is your computer. Let's say you wanted to put all of the folders that you're going to be working with, all the stuff that you're going to be working with from SkelderGate into its own folder. All that you would have to do is to right-click down here. This is the folder that you're in. Right-click, create directory. So we're going to create a directory called test add-ons. And enter. If for some reason the connection closes or you can't see it right away, you can right-click on the screen again and click refresh. Sometimes the cache will take a little while to catch up. But so as you can see, we've added the test add-ons folder to our computer. Now let's go into the test add-ons folder and download everything in the add-ons. Let's download the whole add-ons folder from the server. So you just click on the add-ons folder, right-click it, and choose download. And it will now take that whole downloads folder, make a copy of it. It won't delete anything on the server itself yet. And it will copy that to your computer. So now I will have an add-ons folder on my computer. And in order to get to that, we can simply highlight this and hit Control-C. That'll copy. Go to my File Explorer and paste it into the browser, or we can manually go to the E drive, and I don't remember where I put it. It's somewhere in here. There it is. There's the add-ons folder that's being downloaded from the SkelderGate server, and if we open it, this is my own computer's hard drive. If we open it, it should. See, it's downloading now. It's not finished. It's downloading everything that is on the SkelderGate server. So I think that the easiest way to edit most things is to do it on your own computer first. Let's say I want to put a new folder. I'm not going to use these add-ons. So not going to use these add-ons. And I wanted to put all of those add-ons into there that I'm not going to use, or however I wanted to reorganize it. You know, new folder, stove add-ons. I don't know. However you're going to do it. You can do this on your own computer on your own time when you're not connected via FTP, and fix it however you'd like. Okay, so once you have everything the way that you'd like it, if you log into your FTP and you click refresh, you can see everything that I just changed on my own computer is showing up here. And all that you would have to do then is to go to the folder that you wanted to. Let's say I didn't want to delete the add-ons folder because maybe somebody else is working with it as well. You can change, right-click on the screen. This is on the SkelderGate server. Right-click on the screen, create a directory, and let's call it add-ons by Milva. And there's our Add-ons by Milva folder. We double click it to go into it. And just to make sure, see, it says we're in the Add-ons by Milva folder. And all my changes that I just made, I can highlight them, right click on them, and upload them all to the server, and it will have everything that I want, everything that I've organized, exactly how it should be, the way that I've done it, and it'll have it up there for someone else, for another staff member to download. This will just take a few minutes. While it's doing that, we can go in here and look at them, and let's say that you've uploaded all of your changes and then you realized, oh, you know what, I didn't need the ones that I'm not going to be using uploaded because we're not going to use them. Well, we can delete them. There we go. And let's say we needed to rename this. All you have to do is right click on the folder and you can rename it to add-ons that are organized. I think this is the basic idea. If you try to upload something that's already there and overwrite it, when you go to upload, try and find one that we have on both. Okay, there's some in here. Okay, this movable add-ons, it should already be on the server. Okay, see, it's already on the server. So if I right click to upload it, it should warn me that I've already got a file in that location named the same thing. And then at this point I can decide if I want to overwrite it or skip it, rename it to something new, like for instance it could be movable add-ons update, or whatever, just whatever you want. If you want to overwrite it, then you choose overwrite. If you want it to skip uploading and not upload it at all, you choose skip. If you want it to rename it as something else, you choose a rename. That's kind of self-explanatory. But I think those are the basics of how to upload and download using FTP. I hope it was helpful. If you have any questions, just let me know and I'll do my best. Thanks. Talk to you guys later. Bye.